I completely understand that you're using another supplier. What is it?
Be obsessed or be average.
Look how beautiful the sunrise is, man. Beat the sun up. We're gonna project some information up there on the wall. The employees are gonna be sitting here. And we're gonna train them how to seal the deal, man.
You don't want to stay away from positive people. You want to be around positive people, right? And you want to use a positive attitude because you know attitude is senior to product. Right? Even if it sounds ridiculous to him and it's a great idea, you have a higher quality product. We know that. We know other people have a less, inferior quality product. Like it's less quality, right? So it cannot possibly be the same price. And it's crazy for you to lower your price to the same as something that's lower in quality. So you want to use a positive attitude. Happy to do that for you. Glad that you wanted that. Let me show you why we are actually more expensive. You see, positive attitude. Oh, the price is too high. I understand. I knew you would have said that, and let me show you why. So you can understand why we're more value. Great. No problem. Let me figure out a great price for you. But first, before I show you the cost, let me show you what I'm going to give you. Do you understand? So that's what we want to drill, is how you can actually acknowledge the person, make them right, agree. I'm with you, I understand, I agree it's expensive, I know. Happy that you brought that up, and then close.
So what I'd like to do is I'd like to put a quote together, send something through to you.
Provide you with the information. How are we and show you that
And see how we can possibly benefit your business. Okay, so that's how you want to say it. You're getting too tongue-tied over your words.
Flank!
We've already started suppliers because we don't need your product right now. Thank you.
You know what, I fully understand and I expected that to be the case. Most of the businesses that you are calling, they're already having another supplier.
Good! Okay, we're just getting out the enthusiasm, so I need you to do it really loud and better. Okay, you ready, Zola? Don't give up. I completely understand. What is it?
I completely understand that you're using another supplier. It's a massive industry and there are a few options out there.
We're already using another supplier.
I fully understand and expected that in any case, most of the business that I call, they're already using someone else. My job is to provide you with the information and to show you that there might be another alternative, perhaps it might be cheaper. Will you please allow me a few moments of your time to show you how my business can benefit yours?
Woo! Good! 2, 1. We're already using another supplier.
I've already...
Flank! We're already using another supplier.
I fully understand.
Flank! Flank!
end of the month. So I want to show you a couple things. This is the gross income. Good. So I'm gonna do some commendations. Need some music. Okay, so the first person I'd like to introduce to the stage is Zelda. The salesperson is the Rasta lady, India. The one and only businesswoman, Nora. You're welcome. This book, the 10X rule, you always see me wearing a 10X hat. It's all about targeting, right? We don't get the effect of the economy. We're going to create our own economy, right? That's what salespeople are known for. Okay, good. So I'm going to do this breakdown and I'm going to put it up on the notice board. But
Keep watching.